Hey everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to do the bouncy egg experiment. So what we're going to need to do this experiment is some soda, vinegar, containers or cups, raw eggs, and food coloring. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill up one container with some soda, about 3/4 of the way. Then I'm going to fill up both of these containers with vinegar. Same amount, except one we're going to add some food coloring in. So I'm going to add a few drops of green and then just give it a quick mix. You can add as much as you like. Now I'm going to add the eggs into the containers. And I want to just make sure each egg is fully submerged by the vinegar or soda. So as we wait, let's come up with our hypothesis. Let's consider a few things, like how will it smell, look, and feel? Will the egg turn green in colored vinegar? How will the egg in plain vinegar look? And what will happen to the egg in soda? So let's put some gloves on and see how it looks. So these are the eggs that were sitting in vinegar for 2 days. I noticed that all the shell has dissolved completely. Now, if you don't leave yours for a full 2 days, you may have to gently rub some of the shell off. It was interesting to see that the green vinegar actually gave this egg a deep green color. Here's the egg that was in the soda, so the color did change. It turned brown and some spots are darker than the other, but the outside is still pretty hard. Here you can see that the egg that sat in vinegar is slightly bigger than the egg that was in soda. That's because some of the vinegar seeped through the membrane. Here we see that the eggs are very soft and squishy, and that's because the eggshell has been dissolved, leaving the tough membrane around the egg. Since the eggshell is dissolved, now we can bounce the egg. And a boiled egg would be white, but since this is a raw egg, the egg white is jelly-like, and the yolk remains a liquid. This egg still cracks open the way a regular egg does, since the shell didn't dissolve. But for the bouncy eggs, I used a toothpick to pop them open. I was surprised to see that when I popped the green one open, the inside was actually green, but the yolk was still yellow. Here's a slow motion clip of me popping open this egg, and when I do, the egg just comes right out, but what I'm left with is a soft, thin layer of the egg's membrane. Give this fun experiment a try and let me know what you think.